I enjoy coming back to homecoming because it's just nice to see a lot of my former classmates.
I felt it was important to come back for homecoming just because I love the community so much, and I just wanted to be around and support the team and just have a good time with everyone.
It's always a great time being back. Feel good. I feel like I'm kind of back home.
I wouldn't be where I'm at without Bowling Green State University. And coming back to homecoming just allows you to at least get a snapshot of what it's like to be a Bowling Green State University Falcon.
One of my favorite things about being back for homecoming is seeing the enthusiasm of all the former and current Falcons, and just seeing all the orange and brown and people just fired up for a great school here at BG.